I'm Derek Connor. I'm the founding partner of the law firm of Connor & Connor PLLC. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about forming a business in Nevada. Forming a business right the first time is critical. I always advise clients to do it right the first time and save yourself a lot of headaches down the road. If you're thinking about starting a business in Nevada, you should talk to your partners, discuss what type of business operation that you plan on engaging in, talk about what you want to do in the future of your business, because that is going to affect the type of formation you want to use. Nevada has several different types of business entities that are very popular. The most popular probably being the limited liability company, or LLC. Also, if you're a professional like an attorney, you could have a professional limited liability company, which would be a PLLC. Limited partnerships are popular, C-Corps are popular, and S-Corps are popular. Each different entity has certain rules that apply to it, so you're going to want to talk again to your partners before you start the entity, before you form the entity rather, about your goals for the future, and that will again dictate what type of entities are going to work best for your business. For example, if you want to take the entity public someday, an LLC is probably not the best vehicle for you to start your company. Forming an entity in Nevada is relatively cheap compared to other states. The fees here were recently raised, but still Nevada is competitive with other markets for forming an LLC. LLC formation in Nevada, between the state filing fees, the articles of organization, and preparing your operating agreement with an attorney, is a very minor cost considering the type of protection you're getting from having that entity between you and your personal assets. The purpose of forming an LLC, for example, would be to provide yourself with limited liability. That means that you, as an individual, will not be liable under most circumstances for the actions of the company. So having an LLC is almost like a very cheap insurance policy to protect yourself. One thing that's very important is when you do form an entity in Nevada and you go through and you create an operating agreement for your limited liability company or bylaws for your corporation or your partnerships, you want to make sure that those are to a T exactly what you and your partners plan on operating under moving forward. Those documents are the governing documents which act as kind of like the constitution for the company. That will determine how votes are held. That will determine what happens if a partner decides to leave the company. Do you have to offer the shares to the company or to the individuals that are fellow members, or can you put them out for sale on the open market? Very important conversations to have, and it's very important to get those right in your governing documents. Again, it's better to spend a little bit of money off in the beginning than spending a lot of money fighting in court over it in the end. If you're looking at forming a business in Nevada and you'd like a consultation with an attorney, please contact our law firm at 702-750-9139 or visit our website at www.connorpllc.com.